Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check battery health on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So first of all, we're gonna need to open the application, which is called Surface Repair Tool. You may have it already as a pre-installed application on your device that you can find using the Start menu. But if you don't have it, you can go to the Microsoft Store, search for Surface Repair Tool, open the page of this app, click Get, then once you get it, open it, and on the main page of this app you can check your battery information like current percentage, design capacity, and the charge rate. And if you expand the menu here, you'll be able to see the full charge capacity. So as you can see, the design capacity is somehow lower than the full charge capacity, but this simply means that our device's battery health is at 100%, and if this full charge capacity goes lower than the design capacity of the laptop, this means that your laptop's battery health is starting to worsen. And if you want to recheck your battery, you have to go to the test menu on the sidebar, select battery right here, then click run. Then you're gonna have to follow the instructions. Therefore, first of all, you have to plug in the charging cable into your laptop and then click start. Let your device check. Then you're gonna have to unplug your charger and click start. And here you'll be able to see whether your device's battery is working normally. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.